Nobody asked, but this man microwaved fish at work and single-handedly destroyed the entire office ecosystem. He thought it would be fine. It was not fine. Within 4 minutes of pressing start, 3 separate co-workers appeared in the kitchen doorway. They did not speak. They looked at him. Then they left. His manager sent a company-wide email that same afternoon. It said, "Friendly reminder, please be mindful of strong-smelling foods in the kitchen." The email contained one emoji, a fish emoji. No other context, just the fish. Everyone knew it was him. Nobody said his name. Nobody needed to. He ate lunch alone at his desk that day. The smell lasted until 6 p.m. He brings sandwiches now, every single day. No exceptions. Nobody asked, but that fish ended him. Follow Nobody Asked But for a new story every single day. Comment below, what's the worst thing someone microwaved at your office?